Hi there. Welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where we turn science into fascinating stories. Have you ever wondered how we predict weather, plan cities, or even protect the environment? The answer lies in Geographical Information Science, or GIS, a fascinating technology that brings data to life by linking it to locations on Earth. GIS lets us layer information, like roads, population, and climate, and uncover patterns to solve real-world problems. It's how we track disasters, design smarter cities, and tackle global challenges like climate change. Organizations like the Association for Geographic Information and AGI Northern Ireland play a vital role in promoting geographic information. AGI Northern Ireland, for example, has been fostering collaboration and innovation since 2002, helping connect the geospatial community and driving meaningful change. And here's the incredible part. GIS isn't just for scientists or governments. From tracking your online orders to planning the best route for your next road trip, GIS touches our daily lives in ways you might not even realize. Whether you're curious about mapping the future or just want to understand the world better, GIS is transforming the way we live and make decisions. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and see you next time. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.